All right. We're live once again. Today is August 28th. It is Thursday today. Um, yeah. So for a little context, account is busted again. Like I said, I didn't really plan for that, but it is what it is. Um, I am currently practicing on FX Replay to try to, get down the gist of the whole thing, liquidity and FEGs and so on and so forth. Yeah. To really get my execution down, hopefully. Um, but basically, for now, I think I'm gonna be trading on this paper trading account that I have on Tradeovate. So I'm gonna be doing FX Replay on the side, and then I'm still gonna be trading at 9:30 open. Then by the way, market goes in about 8 minutes. But I'm still be trading on market open. It's just not gonna be a combine. It's gonna be a paper trading, and it'll be like that at least for the next couple, I don't know, days, weeks, depends on how long it takes for me to master my entries and stuff. And yeah, at least that for now. I'll see. Well, maybe I'll either next week, starting on next week, I might either just start a new kind of type of series for either FX Replay or maybe just regular trading, but just to have that in mind. Anyway, looking into the charts. But by the way, we had just for reference, Thursday, August 28th, we had 8:30 a.m. Prelim GDP and unemployment claims. Um, they already came out, so there's not much to that right now. So I'm just gonna get rid of this for now, and then I'm gonna expend this right here. Boom. All right. So we have, let's see, an ME. I think I'm looking at MES right now. It looks like it's a lot looking better right now, generally speaking. But basically, so in MES we respected this weekly FEG, so we're pushing up all in all. Respected this daily over here. MNQ has a similar idea going on, so I think we came up to this FEG first, came back down, shot into this daily, and then I think we want to shoot back up, maybe towards maybe these highs or maybe up here even. But I think I like MES better right now. So we respected this FEG here, disrespected this FEG here, came back down, pushed up. So I think I want to see us push down up towards ideally this high up here, I think. Um but yeah, we also respected this 4 hour as well. And yeah, that's what the context is right now. We swept up this high, came back down to this 4 hour, respected it, and pushed back up. So let's see. Um okay, so I think we're all in a pretty much the same in this context. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity sitting at these little, this is pot of liquidity here, right here, like this. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if you wanted to take it out, but I just don't know what would happen if that would happen today. Um, there's this 4 hour FEG that what I'm thinking is that we might want to tap into this uh FEG right here today. What I'm looking at right now. Um, possibly before we even go up here, we might want to come down one more time and then push up. But I think that's why MES looks a little bit better because we respected this daily. Are currently expecting this 4 hour. And yeah, I just want to see us push up 1 hour here as well. Similarly, we have this 1 hour here, forming as we speak, so it's not valid just yet. Um, but yeah, okay. So I think we want to take out this high, with the aim for today, and yeah, okay. So maybe MNQ might be better, but let's just see. So we have Market open 9:30. We have 3 o'clock London and 1800 Asia. So let me bam, bam, and bam. So we have London high, got Asia low, Asia high got cooked, and then we got London low right here. And then very similarly on MES, we have New York open, 3 o'clock London, and 1800 Asia. Bam. So we have this high up here, London high. We got London low and Asia low. What I think I want to see us do would be, I think, because this is still holding. This 4-hour FVG here is technically still holding. I mean, this 1-hour FVG is still holding, and technically, so is this 4-hour, technically speaking. What I'm thinking is that maybe before we go push higher, we might want to come back down first. Or what I think we might want to do is come up here, take out London high, and then come back down to Asia. Asia lows, maybe. I don't know if we're gonna come up here, but I wanna what we do. It's a little confusing right now, honestly. But what I'm thinking we're gonna do, we're either gonna come down here, go London lows, and then push to this higher this high up here, or we're gonna come straight up, take out these highs, and then push back down. I think. I just want to see manipulation at New York Open, and I want to see where we leave from that point on. Honestly, that's what I'm basing it off of, and yeah. So because we did take out these internal lows right here, take these out, came back up, pushed up, and then I'm thinking I think we're bullish for today. I think we're bullish for today. But I think yeah, I think what we might want to see um is upon market open, I want to see maybe manipulation. Or downside maybe. But let's see what we do. There we go. Down. We are filling a 15-minute FEG as well, so things to keep my fault. Things to keep into consideration. Oh, okay. So we're taking London highs in. We taking out. Okay, we took a London high in MNQ. Okay. So we have manipulation to the upside. We took out London highs here. We took out London highs here. And thinking about it, these seem to be kind of equal highs up here. Almost equal highs, but not really. But yeah, I think we took that high as well. Okay, there we are. We're taking that high. But yeah, I think I want to see us take out these highs, maybe even fill in this 4-hour FEG up here in MNQ, and then see us push back that. Yeah, there it is. We're filling in the 4-hour FEG. And in this case, we're gonna take out probably these highs, and then we're gonna push down. Push down probably to some of these lows. So London, Asia, maybe even all the way down to this point, I think. Yep. We came down, manipulated down to this level, took out these internal lows, shot up, took out this London high, and yeah, I think I want to see us push back down um to London lows, maybe even Asia lows. But we might not even, but we might want to push higher as well. In this case, it'd be higher into the daily, but oh no, it's looking a little weird. So we have liquidity sitting at this level, well, this level, this level, this level, all the way down here. These swing lows are all liquidity pools. I mean, realistically, MES has no reason to push higher. So once we sweep up here, I think we're just gonna sweep and then push back. And then MNQ, once again, we're also filling in this 4-hour FEG. 4 hour, 1 hour coupled with the 4 hour, and then we want to probably see us retrace back down as well. So what I'm assuming. Because even though yeah, we took out this high up here. Yeah. Took a London high already. We wicked. I think what I want to see us do would ideally be um so push up one more time. I think I want to see us invalidate this and perhaps use it as a IFEG. At which point I would go in and probably target this London low, maybe even this swing low right here. But if it does hold, um, after taking out this low, I might target higher in MNQ, but I don't know how likely it is to happen. I think it's gonna invalidate it, and I think it's gonna shoot back to this FEG that it's gonna create here, possibly. But it also acts as inverse here as well. Boom. We have an inverse FEG here. We took up here, push back up. If we chose to do this, I think this wouldn't be insane. And it wouldn't be insane to want to do. So I want to create. I would want to create this 1 minute FEG, and then I want to push back into this range over here. TS respect, and then I want to put in a buy order. This would be the halfway point, whatever it is that it forms right here. It did push into an inverse already. Wait, I wanna. We're probably gonna come to this level, take out this low, probably push back into the FVG that we had created previously right here. Yeah, so I think my confluence would be here, and bam, bam. It should hold in theory. So if I did, uh, uh, for- I'll press a limit order here to take profit at this London low right here. We took out London high, pushed down, took one more sweep at this high, and came right back down. So for us to come back up down here to this FEG, which it should hold, given that we're sweeping and we're pushing back down, and it has no reason to go higher. I want to see it to be. I want to see it as. I want to see it get respected. Also, we did respect this inverse over here that we came into with this candle after respecting this one. So yeah. Similarly, I think MNQ, yeah, MNQ is gonna come down here to this level, push in here, and target this as well. So what happened? We're in. Took a buy. Respecting the 1 minute. I am tinkling a lot with liquidity pools, and I did come to realize that stuff like FEGs and FEGs and IFEGs and so on and so forth are not meant to be how do you say it? Not meant to be used as solely the way that you trade, but as just purely confluence and you know based on the what the trend is telling you as a whole. This is what my idea is. I could be entirely wrong, or maybe I could be partly right, partly wrong. I don't know. My idea is that MES and MNQ. So MES, MNQ came up here into this 4-hour FEG and respected it, or respecting it as far as we speak. MES came up to this London high, respected it, and is pushing back down. Granted, we might want to. We honestly, we might want to keep on pushing up to this higher, this higher level over here. Very possible. But we took out London high. We took out London high here, right? We swept London high up here, and I think we might want to use that to push back down towards London lows, then push higher. Eventually, I don't know. I don't think, and I don't think it wants to do it right now. I saw sweep. We have a high up here. We came back right once again, took out the high, and came back down. I feel like it would have taken out the high if I really wanted to take it at a time, but it didn't. And looking at MES and MNQ, it looks like it's, doing its thing, but I could be entirely wrong. Maybe it comes back down, takes out these lows, and then pushes back up. But I guess part of me also looks at this as right here, this London low with liquidity sitting here, 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 here. A lot of liquidity sitting at those levels. That's what my idea is. But once again, it could be completely wrong. Then again, I also respect this 15-minute FEG here as well, but I don't know. It's pretty odd stuff. So the reason I entered this FEG is because based on what I saw, it should hold in the sense that the bias as a whole is down in that direction, assumingly. What I'm thinking right now we might want to do is take out this internal low right here. I mean internal high maybe. But yeah, because the only problem I've been having lately is that knowing where it's targeting at the moment or at that time and not, messing up the bias. But it's not as easy as I would like for it to be. Right now, I think once again, I think we're taking out this internal low here. I think we want to push back down, but yeah, I don't know. Um, but that's the idea. Because even right now, it seems we might be building liquidity. We have liquidity sitting at this level, this level, this level. Here, 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 and here. We have a bunch of liquidity sitting at these levels. We're generating liquidity as we speak. That's my idea. But sometimes maybe we generate it so that we can catch it later. At which point, right now, I could shoot back up here and then want to come to this generated liquidity. But I don't know. Not 100% sure if I'm honest. If we are generating liquidity, then we want to go where? London low doesn't. There is this 15-minute which we are respecting as we speak. But there is this one hour over here too. Have also low right here that we might want to act on. Low right here as well. And my important lows here. But yeah, once again here we're generating liquidity. Here we have generated sell side liquidity here. Basically. Wait, nope. At this area right here. This kind of way. But this might be enough though. I gotta be careful. This might be enough for it to reverse it. This liquidity that it just generated here. It just took out this internal liquidity. If it doesn't shoot up vigorously, I think we can assume that it's not actively trying to move back up just yet. If it does though, then that means that we have enough liquidity taken out that we might want to push back down. I mean, push back up. So it's something we always want to keep in mind. Thinking about it, I probably should have taken partials, honestly. Just, for safety reasons and such. Secure profit. Um, but yeah. Because right now we might just be dipping into this 15-minute. I mean 5-minute couple with this. Well, 15 minutes getting respected, but couple with the 15 minutes technically speaking, still holding. But yeah, I think that maybe I think smart thing would have been to take partials here, here, and here, and then ultimately here. My goal, like I said though, is to aim for this London low ultimately. Not to say I was gonna hit it because it might not, but I think it's it's close enough that it would want to. So I'm gonna put my buy stop. Actually, no, hold up. I'll put my buy stop at break even. Um, yeah, just to be it's just to be safe, just in case it does push back up. One thing I do want to start to do as a whole is start taking start taking partials because it it helps me how do you say it? It would help me secure profits, and that's kind of the whole, or like part of the idea of this whole thing, right? To make sure that you're profitable. But once again, my bias I think is still solid, and I think these London lows right here are very what do you call it? Enticing, for lack of better words. Yep. I'll put my buy stop here in case it wants to come back up. It might come up here, take these highs out, and come back down. But that way, I secure profit, without taking an L. But like I said, I think we want to push down to this low, and then we just took out this. So we're about to take. I think we're about to take a London low. There we go. We took a London low, and how much we secured? Uh, we secured a band, pretty much. We secured a band. Um, yeah, I think that's what I think that was a great overall setup. Overall, like I say, overall, uh, how do you call it? Overall, like thought process that I want to have when going to the market. My bias was good coming to the day. I saw sweepage. I saw manipulation. I saw sweep. We pushed down, and the FEG that I entered in was based on the context of the whole thing. So based on that context, we respected it. We pushed back down, generate liquidity. I saw generate liquidity at this level right here. I took it in, and it was good. Um, yeah, I think honestly, I think I'm happy with that. That was a 1K win right there. And even though it wasn't on my combine, I think I've definitely been improving, generally speaking. And also when I look at it in confluence with MNQ, similarly speaking, we have here. I could have also taken a trade here. I would have taken a buy at this FEG, and I would have aimed for this. I would have aimed for this, probably this London low, maybe these pools right here of liquidity. Probably over here more often than not. But it might actually reach the London lows. But I probably would have aimed for it here. Right now it's just sweeping. Probably take partials here, and we might dip, but we have taken out this low right up this low right here. Yeah. Oh, it went all the way to this low right here. Yep. Bam. Yeah, that was good. That would have been good. I was aiming for that initially, but I'm not gonna get greedy. But I think the smart thing to do would have been to take partials at each one of those levels and let it a little bit run, and that still probably would have been solidly profitable. But yeah, MES seems to have taken this. And I think that's enough. And because MES already pushed down and took this level, we're pushing back up. Most likely, we're gonna continue to push back up. Maybe even head towards equilibrium possibility. But I think this was a really good rundown of a good. I think this was a really good trade, really good rundown of a trade. I understood what I was doing. I understood what I was looking at. I understood what I was aiming for. Granted, I could have maybe let one run, and I think I should have also been smart and probably take partials. But I think I had a really good. I think this is one of those. This is one of those genuinely good reads. All in all, and yeah, I think it was good. I think this was good, and I think the practice has been helping me out in terms of how to read better the charts, how to read in context, how to read the trend lines and such. Um, but yeah, we took a ban in a day, so that was good. Um, and yeah, I mean, we could have definitely aimed for this low right here. Would have been also nice RR there. Once again, could have used partials, but that's fine. It's cool. But yeah, tomorrow's one more day of trading, which is Friday. I'm hoping to see that next week maybe I can what do you call it? I can start maybe with a new fresh account on here. Maybe combine rules if I can see what I could do. But yeah, that was a good trade on the day. It was all under 30 minutes, so that's good. Um, but yeah, so catch us tomorrow. Deuces.